Most people don't run out of money in retirement because of spending. They run out because nobody ever taught them how to structure their retirement. Hi, I'm Kelly O'Connor, and this channel exists for one purpose: to help you build a retirement plan that's tax smart, stable, predictable, and built on real structure, not guesswork, hope, or sales pitches. If you're anywhere near retirement or already in it, this channel will help you understand how to avoid the IRA 401k tax bomb, how to reduce lifetime taxes legally, how to avoid IRMAA penalties, how to create spending permissions, how to protect a spouse, how to sequence withdrawals, how to build a liquidity buffer, how to prepare for RMDs, and how to integrate CPA and advisor and planning team, and how to create a retirement structure that actually works. Most financial channels talk about products or investments or headlines. I teach something different. Retirement architecture, the structure behind your money that determines whether you feel confident or constantly stressed. This isn't theory. This is what real families wish they had learned 10, 20 years earlier. If you want real clarity, not sales pitches, subscribe right now. And if you want to go deeper, you can join my free Financial Caffeine workshop. It's 100% educational, and it will change the way you think about retirement forever. That link is below. Your retirement shouldn't feel confusing. Let's build a structure so it finally makes sense.